Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to reset it to factory defaults if you forgot your passcode. In case you forgot your passcode to the tab, there is always a way to get access to it. Unfortunately, thanks to the factory reset, you will reset every setting, every app and every data from your tab. So always make sure to be prepared and keep your backup of data. So how to do it? Firstly, turn off your device. Connect the cable and now press and hold power button and volume up button. Release the buttons when you see Samsung logo. Now, using power button and volume down button, navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm. Select Factory Data Reset and data wipe is complete. Now reboot system and now you will have to set up your tab from the beginning. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.